Hey guys, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make money in 2018, and I'm going to be showing you my Power Lead System income proof for the week. And I like to do that basically every week. Every Tuesday is kind of what it's kind of fallen on. So today is Tuesday. Today's the day. I'm going to share the results I've been getting from this program. So before I do that, I just want to share just a little bit. This little picture here I put up here says we all have setbacks. The important thing is to rise back up and continue to move forward. Now, I don't know where you are right now. I don't know what's going on in your life. I can tell you I've had a number of setbacks over the last couple weeks, but we just got to keep moving forward. And me getting on this video, let me just tell you, if I sound different, if it's higher up, the sound is higher pitch. It's because the mic I typically use, for whatever reason, isn't populating with the software, and I'm using a different mic. So we just gotta keep moving forward. No matter what happens, we keep moving forward. But I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into my results because I know that's what you want to see. Uh, just before I do that, just to let you know, Power Lead System is a and marketing tools platform all under one roof. Basically, what you need to market whatever it is you have. It doesn't matter what it is, you can market whatever you want. And I'll go over that a little bit further, but let's just get straight to the results because I don't want to make this a 30-minute video like I normally do. Let's see here. So commissions earned. So guys, I've been under the weather for the last 2 weeks. I really haven't been able to do a whole lot with my business, but this thing has just been cranking. No matter what, the income continues to come in. Right now I'm at $565 for the week. The week started on Sunday, so it's moving right along. At 565. I anticipate this to be probably over 2,000 by the end of the week. We'll see what happens. You just never know, but that's what it's been doing. Last week, these are my earnings from last week. I'm going to show you 2,526, and I gotta tell you, last week I just was not feeling good at all. I really didn't put a lot into my business, but it just kept cranking. It just kept going, because I've built up a team. My team is producing. My team is duplicating, and I am earning from that. Okay. Plus, I do my stuff too, of course. But what my point is, this is time freedom. Okay. This will give you time freedom just by following some simple steps, which are basically set up a done for you funnel. Uh, get traffic, free or paid, preferably both, and then follow up with your leads. Okay, follow up with your leads, your prospects. And as you can see, the numbers are here. Here's my residual income for the week, 870 plus 50% matching bonus. So I'll go over that in just a minute. We got the 147 diamond, which is diamond is 147 one time, pays you $100 over and over. You can see I made 800 bucks from that. Definitely adds up. Social Profit Academy, that's 497 one time is what you pay. You make $400 commissions over and over. I only had one of those last week. Um, the Academy Generation 2, that's from my team. I make $50 from my team every single time they get one of these. So you can see my team had a good week. They really went off well. Okay, so what does this look like in the emails? Let me just jump over to that real quick. Right here. As you can see, these are all sales. I got 855 in here now. But as you can see, these sales come in every single day. This is what's come in since this morning. And then as you can see, diamond is 100 bucks, diamond's 100 bucks, gold is 20, diamond is 100, so forth, right? It could be 25. These I know are 100. So, and you can just see how consistent this is. Like every single day, these sales are coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. Okay. So I've shown you the proof. I've shown you this works. I have many, many videos that show this as well. So you're more than welcome to go back and look. I will show you this though, just so you guys understand that when I first started, I started this program in April of 2015. Okay, and why is it doing that? We just back up a little bit here. We're going back in time. Going back in time. Let me see here. All right, we'll start at the beginning. All right, so my first payment was for $32. Okay, so when I started this program, I wasn't doing much. I was just using the tools. So let me just show you the tools. So for $30 a month plus $23.97. So well, let me just say this. For $30 a month, you get all the tools, okay? So you get email campaigns, and we'll just go look at some of these campaigns. These are all done for you. You don't have to write these out. These are already done for you. There's tons of them in here. You can see how many there are, and you can select any of these, and these are all set up ready to go for you. You don't even have to write them. They're set up ready to go for you. These emails go out automatically, and that's real nice. Plus, you got all these other tools. You know, you have virtual postcards. You have a contact manager, which go over here, contact manager. You have tons and tons and tons and tons of training. Endless free leads right here. This is a great training to get free leads, make sales. This product right here sells for $300 to $400 outside of Power Lead System. When you become an affiliate, which is just $53.97 monthly, then you're going to get this product absolutely free. It's a full entire course on how to attract people to you, what to say to them to get them to buy. Okay. Roadmap to Riches is a great course which shows you the power of the residual income. That's the gold member sales. That's the $20 sales. You can earn, they say 8 months, $10,000 is just an illustration, but that's just the power. This is without the 50% match or any of the other, the diamond level, the platinum level commissions. This is just the $20. And just by the power of duplication, you could create a very nice income with that. And they walk you through step by step what the company's about, what to do to be successful. It's all there. Power VIP, this is extra training, more capture pages, more sales pages, just more training here. You'll never go without training. If you go to promote my business, they have recommended lead vendors. You can either traffic generation online, traffic generation offline, offline online, email swipe copy. I mean, pretty much everything you could think of is here. Power blog. They even have a blog set up ready to go. You just need your domain and you're ready to go. And you have a nice, beautiful blog you can start using. I can tell you a blog is a great tool for you to use to become an authority figure online, to stand out from the crowd. So that's all there. It's all under one roof. Let's just get over here to what you want to do to earn the kind of income I'm earning. Basically, when you come in, like I said, it's $53.97 a month, and then you have 2 upsells, 2 upgrades, and you definitely want to get those, especially if you want to make more money. This here is going to pay you $20 a month, plus you make 50% matching bonus on all your directs, on all of your directs. So that's really very powerful. And that can absolutely add up very, very fast. I mean, over time, of course. I'm currently sitting at about just over 5,000 residual income. I can't show that because it has personal information, but I'm sitting at about just over 5,000 residual income. And I started taking this program seriously in September of 2017, late September 2017. And when I started taking it seriously was when I decided to purchase all the products, because before I was only at the diamond level, which remember we have $53.97. 147 one time pays you $100 over and over, and I just showed you how that can add up really quick. I had $800 this week from that. And then Social Profit Academy, which is $497 one time, and that pays you $400. So basically, if you were to purchase all the products, which is highly recommended, it's the only way I'm able to make the income I want. So if you want to make a full-time income and you want to do it fast, then you'd absolutely want to get all these boxes green. You want to purchase all the products. Super important. Super, super important. A lot of people come to me and they're like, well, I just want to test it and make sure it works. Well, it absolutely works. It absolutely works. Proof is in the pudding. Here's the proof. It absolutely works. We'll even scroll back a little bit just in time just to show you how this works. You can see since January, I mean, yeah, since January, December 31st on, I haven't come below $1,000. Okay, so it absolutely works. Um, each week, my income is, around 2,000 bucks or more. So absolutely works. You just got to plug into what our team does. So let me just talk about that now. So you guys are not alone here. I know there's two questions people ask when it comes to when they're looking at a program. One, does it work? And two, can I do it? One, does it work? So we've already established it works. It absolutely works. Two, can I do it? And you absolutely can. It's a very simple system. Basically, what I do, okay, this is what I do. I'm telling you exactly what I do. I use a funnel, okay, done for you funnel, 80% done for you, right? 80% done for you. And this funnel, um, you set this up within minutes. We have a fast start training. It shows you exactly how to do it. It's very simple to do. It doesn't take long at all. It's just a few little clicks and you're ready to go. We have plenty of training on how to do it. But basically, someone comes to what's called a capture page. They put in their information. Once they put in their information, they go to what's called a sales page. Now, I didn't create any of this stuff. This stuff is all done for me. I didn't redo anything. It's all the same right out the box. It has a great video, which is about, a little over 5 minutes long. And then as you scroll through, it gives you the information about the product, okay? And then what happens from there is emails are going to go out. Let me just show you that real quick. There's going to be emails that flow out. Now, these are not the right emails, but there's going to be a series of emails that go out automatically for about a month, automatically. So it's a complete system. And then we have, on top of that, we have a team, which is called Freedom Takers. Freedom Takers. I'm just waiting for this thing to load up here. Here we go. And in this group, we have tons of training. So it's in the file section. There's tons of training, free training, resources, everything you could ever need within this group. And then I'm just going to show you what's happening in this group. So like every single day, 24/7, people are posting the results they're getting. So this isn't just me. There are many, many, many people getting results. And as you can see, people are posting all day long, every day, their results. So here you see someone got a gold, someone got platinum. Platinum is $400 commission. Gold is 20. And they're posting. You can just see like as I go through. We just open some of these up here. As I go through, this person showing they just went all in. They purchased all the products. They're now positioned to make the most money. Very wise decision. Gold. Okay, someone got a gold. Someone's walking in gold. You see, this happens all day long. Here's somebody that got a platinum sale. That's $400 commission right there. Gold. And this is, see, people just post their results in here all the time. Look at these results. So to answer the question, does it work? We've answered that question absolutely, positively, without any doubt, with all certainty. It works without any doubt. Okay. The proof is in the pudding. Obviously, there are many, 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 many people that are having success with this program. Okay, so that's that. Now, another thing you need to know, remember I said I do traffic. Well, the traffic is found in this group, and we have what's called a co-op. Now, the beautiful thing about a co-op is you don't have to go and test traffic. You don't have to go and try to find vendors. You don't have to do any of that. It's all taken care of here. So you just come here, you click on co-op. Let me just show you. And as we scroll down, you're going to be able to get 300 to 350 clicks for $173, which is very affordable. Or you can get 450 to 500 for $234. So again, it's very affordable. and people get fantastic results with its traffic. So basically, you have a done for you funnel that you don't have to set up, you don't have to do the copywriting, you don't have to do any of this stuff that converts to sales. You have the traffic you need. So, and you have a group that is full of social proof and training. So really that's really all you need. I mean that's more than enough to be successful. That's what I do. I'm also going to show you for our platinum only members, people that are serious and they go all in their business. We have a group and it's called the Platinum Group. Let me just show you this. And this group, we did a 2-week mastermind where we break down step by step what we do to get massive results. Okay, you're going to get the best resources here, and this is just a bonus. So when you decide to start this off the right way and you purchase all the products, you know, and the products are full of great training. The Social Profit Academy, $497, you get training on uh, Facebook PPC. Okay, uh, also you get training on Shopify, doing e-commerce, right? So that's all in there, selling t-shirts, all kinds of things like that are in this. So it's not just air we're selling here. It's not just air. This is like legit training that can really help you develop an income online. Same with free ad secrets. Okay, that's what our co-op is based off of, is free ad secrets. So the training there absolutely works. It absolutely works. Very valuable. One last thing I want to share with you is I actually started a group myself, and my group, this is kind of like my inner circle, and you cannot get into this group unless you are a diamond or a platinum member. So, um, and what I do in this group is basically I share. So I'm just going to leave it here. I share exactly what I do on a daily basis. So literally, I break down what I do on a daily basis. I share my resources. I share all that stuff. What traffic I'm using, how many clicks I'm buying. I share all that stuff in this group. So, when you become a diamond or platinum, you get access to that group and you're going to see exactly what I do. I'm doing live trainings in there. So it's really, it's kind of like following me around. Like you're right on my shoulder, following me around. I'm basically showing you exactly what I'm doing, what's working, how I'm doing it, and I'm going to continue to work on your mindset because mindset is everything. So anyway, that's what I got. I'm going to wrap it up. Otherwise, I'll keep going. This is a fantastic business. This business has changed my life. It really, honestly has. Before I decided to take this business seriously, I was in a number of other ones just because I just didn't take this one seriously, and it cost me. And it cost me time, and it cost me money because those other ones, like many programs out there, they're not solid. This is a solid program. It's been around since 2013. Their software component has been around since 1996. So it's a solid program, pays on time every week without fail. You don't have to worry about that. And I mean, quite frankly, I've been able to create a full-time income within a few months. I kind of consider it like a restart, like a reboot. I started September 2018, right? 2017, late September 2017. So to now, which is March 6th, and I'm doing $8,000 to $10,000 a month easy with this program, and I anticipate it to be at 20K a month by the summer. Okay, so can you do it? Absolutely. Will you do it? That's the bigger question. So go ahead and click the link right below this video and go ahead and just check it out, see what it's all about. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm an open book. I share basically everything with you guys. I want to see you succeed. I really do. I'm tired of seeing people struggle so much. I've been the guy that struggled, so I'm tired of seeing that. I don't want to see that anymore. And with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.